Hi everyone, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. This is Praveen from Landrise University, and in today's video, we are going to watch a live build native ads campaign where we are going to build a live native ads from scratch on the nativeads.com platform using an offer from Clickbank as well as a beautiful landing page builder. So you have to stay tuned until the end of the video. But before we proceed further, please hit the subscribe button as well as the like button if you like this video definitely, and the bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos and we can keep creating good content for you. So are you ready? Let's go. Hi everyone, how are y'all doing? And in today's video, we are going to build a live native ads campaign using, or should I say, on nativeads.com. I'm saying the word .com is because the platform itself, it's called native ads, but then if I say native ads, you might get confused. That's why whenever I'm going to refer to the platform in the whole video, I would be saying nativeads.com, guys. I hope you don't mind. So the whole process that what we are going to do today is very simple. First, we are going to go to Clickbank. We are going to show you how to choose a niche, how to choose an offer from Clickbank, and we're going to choose a live offer from Clickbank. And then we are going to go to a landing page builder. I'm going to show you in a while. And then we're going to build our landing page. And then what we are going to do is we are going to go to nativeads.com, and then we are going to build a live native ads campaign. So these are the whole process that we are going to go. Everything would be step-by-step guide, so don't worry about it, guys. So are you ready to get started? So before we get started, I wanted to say a few things. We are going actually on this flow, right? Why we are actually going on this flow is the whole process on how the actual ads work is very simple. Well, let's assume yourself that you're an audience actually. So what happens is first you will actually see the ads in Facebook or something, right? So first you will see the ads first. So once you see the ads, you'll click on the ads, so you'll be going to the landing page. Once you go to the landing page, what will happen is then you will be going to the offer page. That's the whole process. So that's why when we build campaign, we reverse engineer the whole process, guys. So that's why we are following this flow, guys, because actually you can actually do anything first. You can actually go ahead and do the landing page first or all this, but it does not make sense, guys. So that's why we always keep following this particular sequence and this particular flow. So let's talk about native advertising first. A lot of people actually don't know native advertising, but even so, native advertising is one of the most commonly heard terms nowadays. So whenever you talk about digital marketing, people will definitely talk about native advertising as well. But like I told you, many people are still asking the same question. What is actually native advertising? So if you want to go back in history and talk about native advertising a little bit, native advertising came in existence in the year 2013. I think 2012, but it was rose to the glory days of native ads in the year 2013 when people are so annoyed with the display ads, then they actually develop the banner blindness and all this kind of stuff. That's how native ads actually emerged. So how does native ads exactly works? It's really simple, guys. It works almost similar like all type of paid ads, because native ads is also a type of paid ads, just like your banner ads, just like your push ads, just like all kind of ads that you have. Native ads is also a paid ad. The only thing is that native ads is a paid ad displayed in a form, function, or quality similar to the platform that it is actually placed. Let's say you definitely see native ads everywhere, guys. You can actually see it in Facebook, you can see it everywhere, guys. So the whole idea is just to make sure that the ad does not even look like ad. I mean, people know that it's an ad, but then it's not like something which is very different from the regular content that people actually see in that particular medium. For example, if the audience is using Facebook and their medium, their content should be look like a regular content. If they're using Google as their medium, it should look like the regular content. Everything should look like their regular content. And like I told you before, native ads is available every single place, guys. Facebook, Instagram, Google, blog, websites, all everywhere that you can actually go, native ads is actually available there. Native ads is actually a very huge thing, guys. So I can go all day long talking about native ads, but we don't want to do that. So we want to get back to our work, and our work today is to create a live bill. So we are going to be using three tools basically for today's live build, guys. So the first tool that we are going to be using is Clickbank, and then we'll be using a landing page builder. I'm going to show you guys later, and then we'll be using native ads as the platform as well. So let's go through one by one. Let's talk about Clickbank first. So what is actually Clickbank? Clickbank is a leading global retailer and also an affiliate network. But why Clickbank is so famous? That's the main thing. I mean, there's a lot and lot of affiliate networks, right? But why Clickbank stands out? What makes Clickbank famous? Let me say. Can you see over here? Clickbank has actually been established in the year 1998, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not so sure, but they say 20 years. Actually, it's over 20 years because they have actually established in the year 1998. I think I'm pretty sure about this, guys. So over 20 years in the affiliate marketing industry. Who can actually say that? Which particular person can actually say that I am here over 20 years in this industry and I have actually paid more than $4.2 billion dollars in commission, guys? Who can actually boost that? And that particular reputation is why Clickbank is one of the best. But that's not the major reason why Clickbank is very, very likable by a lot of affiliate marketers. The main reason is that it's super beginner friendly. Let's imagine a situation that you are a beginner affiliate marketer. You want to get on board on your affiliate marketing journey. Now you're going ahead and start googling and searching for all the kinds of best affiliate networks, and then you start applying to them, like Max Bounty, Big Bang Ads, and all these kind of stuff. There's a high probability that you will not get accepted in all these guys, because these people actually look forward for a little bit more seasoned affiliate marketers. I mean, they are not against beginner affiliate marketers, but they usually don't get you inside. So you will feel very frustrated, and sometimes you will just leave the industry, guys. I have personally, the first network that I tried to apply was Max Bounty, and then I got rejected. So I did not even think about affiliate marketing for like 2 months, because he got rejected on the first sidewire. So that particular rejection actually lowers my self-esteem a lot until I met Clickbank. So with Clickbank, all you gotta do is just go ahead and hit the sign up button, and within seconds, you can actually get access to the Clickbank, guys. There's no strict verification process. There's no strict filtration process or whatsoever, guys. It's so easy to actually go ahead and get yourself into Clickbank. Super beginner friendly. That's why a lot of people actually like Clickbank. A lot of super affiliates actually begin their affiliate marketing with Clickbank as well, including myself. I'm not a super affiliate, but I begin my affiliate marketing journey with Clickbank as well. And the thing about Clickbank also, there's one more thing, is that since I'm talking everything about beginner friendliness and everything, don't think that Clickbank is only for beginners. Clickbank is also for super affiliates, because look at the price, guys. They have actually paid more than 4.2 billion. You think only beginners affiliate marketers can actually generate that? No, they can't. They need experienced seasoned affiliate marketers as well. So that's why Clickbank is there. It caters for both affiliate marketers, which is just starting in their journey, as well as affiliate marketers who have already seasoned in their journey. Second tool is Landrise. And why Landrise? Yes, what is actually Landrise? Landrise is a page builder, a landing page builder. Hey, Why are you talking about Landrise? There's so many page builders out there. ClickFunnels, there's Lead Page, there's WordPress. Why Landrise? I'm going to tell you why Landrise. Before that, Landrise is actually a brand new software. They're still in their beta version right now. I've actually attached the link to Landrise in the description of this video. So just go ahead and take a look at it if you want to. It's super awesome, guys. Why Landrise? Okay, if you are an affiliate marketer who have done a lot of stuff with the landing pages, A/B testing, and all these stuff, you would know one of the most important part of is getting your landing page to load as fast as possible. That's because let's say you are running an ads, guys. Let's say you're running an ads with Facebook. So the first thing the customer sees is your ads, and they say, hey, your ad looks awesome, I love your ads. So they click on your ads. The moment they click on your ads, you are actually paying the platform, whichever traffic source that you're using, you're actually paying them already. So the click rate will go up. But then once they click on the ads, they go to your landing page, and your landing page starts to load slow. And you know what happens? You think the people has actually the patience to wait for your landing page to load fully? No, they don't have. So what they will do is they will hit the cancel button. They will go back to the platform that they came from. So you end up paying for something, getting a high CR rate, click rate, but then you will not get a good CTR rate, which is bad, really bad. Okay, let's do something very different, guys. You should know that click-through rate and click conversion rate is something which is directly proportional, right? So if you do not have a high click-through rate, you will not get a high conversion rate, which is optimally what you want, right? You want a high conversion rate. So therefore, you have to do something to increase your CTR rate. It's totally a different scenario if the particular person does not like your landing page, but if he does not even be able to see your landing page, if you don't like your landing page, then you can actually improvise your landing page. But if he can't even see your landing page, then that's really crazy. And not only that, guys, I'm not only being very specific on loading speed of the landing page, but a lot of affiliate actually hate ClickFunnels, WordPress, because of the loading speed itself. So this is something Landrise, you can actually go ahead and upload the landing page within Amazon S3. You have to do that. So you know that Amazon S3 loads very fast, right? So they actually cater for what is much more important, the loading speed, which is most important. And they maintain the same thing. They do have a drag and drop templates. They have, like, I think it's not 50 actually, they're still in beta. So they have somewhere around 10 templates. They are increasing it. And then it's very easy to use. You can integrate them with external trackers like volume, bnorm, rate track, and all those stuff. But the most important part is that, can you see this word? Have you ever seen a landing page builder which actually caters for affiliate marketers? If you have seen it, good for you, because I have used a lot of landing page builder and I have not seen a landing page builder which cater specially for affiliate marketers. They don't do that. Usually why they don't do that is because product promotional, sales funnels, marketing, this is what usually makes the most money and most traffic. So not affiliate marketing, so they don't like to cater for affiliate marketing that much. But it's not Landrise. Landrise caters exactly for affiliate marketers. How this helps you is definitely if you are a seasoned affiliate marketer who does a lot of A/B testing, landing page, all, you should definitely go ahead and feel this when you're doing a landing page in a landing page builder. You'll feel this, right? Hey, why they don't have these features? I mean, is it optimizable? Is it scalable? And all this kind of stuff, right? So when you have this thought, nobody actually thinks from your perspective, but not Landrise, because Landrise was created specially by an affiliate for affiliate marketers. So that particular affiliate marketer who actually created this particular landing page is actually thinking from the same aspect that you are thinking, you and me are thinking. That's why he can actually create something which is highly optimizable for affiliate marketers. We are going to talk about this in a while, more in depth on how to do it, how to do set up the Amazon S3 and everything. It's not that complicated as it may look, guys. But before that, let me just tell you again, the link to Landrise is in the description of this video. So if you're interested in taking a look at Landrise, you can click on the link and go to Landrise and take a look at it. So the final one that we're going to talk about is the native advertising platform that we are going to run today, which is the nativeads.com. It's a premium native advertising platform. You can actually see what's their missions. They actually they focus a lot on native ads, definitely, guys, because you know the name itself, native ads, right? So definitely they focus a lot on native ads. How do I say it? This particular native ads platform has actually developed a scalable, easy to use self-serve system for everybody. I will show you the user interface in later on when we are building the campaign. You will see that how simple it is to actually use this particular nativeads.com, and the ads are actually premium quality, and that's what they meant by here. Premium native advertising, because their ads are actually premium quality, not the low cheap quality. They have a very very high reputation on that. And also native ads has been proven to increase your CTR rate a lot. Some people even say that nativeads.com actually increased their CTR rate by 40%. That's crazy, right? So there's a lot of stuff with nativeads.com. They have actually they are based in United States. I don't know whether that helped or not, but then they are based on United States. You can see they're based on New York and California love. And these are their teams, so they're pretty transparent, and everything looks pretty neat, guys. So these are the three major tools that we are going to use, and definitely we are going to use a very special tool which is called Mr. Google. I can't do anything without Google, guys. So we are going to keep Mr. Google as a backup. If we need him, we're going to use him as well. So these are the three major tools plus Mr. Google that we are going to use for our campaign. So are you ready to get started? Let's begin. So the first thing that you have to do is go to Clickbank and sign up, guys. So once you have signed up, you have to log in into Clickbank. Let me just log in into my Clickbank account very, very fast. So just gonna log in. This is actually an account that I created for the purpose of videos and all this kind of stuff. I don't use this account, so let me sign in first. So like I told you, everything is step by step. I'm showing you how to sign in also. So once you have done that, you can actually go to the marketplace, which is over here. Hit the marketplace. Once you go there, you can actually start choosing your niche or choosing your offer. So there's three ways how you can actually do this. First way is you can actually use Mr. Google. You can go ahead and type the best affiliate offers 2020, something like that. You can do your search like this, or you can do the best affiliate niche, for example, niche 2020. You can do stuff like this to find your niche and find your offer, which you can go ahead and search. Or you can just go to Clickbank and choose an offer which you feel comfortable. For example, if you like a betting, for example, you can actually go ahead and press betting over here, and then you can use stuff with betting. Maybe if you like betting, or if you like business, you can choose the business niche, and you can choose the business niche, and you can use the business sub niche, and then you can go ahead and choose a particular offer. A lot of people actually say, hey, don't do something that you like. I disagree with them totally, because you have to choose a niche that you like. First thing is, because if you choose a niche that you like, you will indirectly develop knowledge regarding it. You'll be interested to know more about that niche because you like that particular niche. So you will learn more, you will have more knowledge. I'm not saying that when you're starting you already have knowledge, but then definitely on the way to go you will have different knowledge. You will increase your knowledge, and you will not get bored. You will sustain, guys. That's the most important thing. You need consistency, and you need to sustain. So that's the second method. And the third method is a very general method where you don't use niche, you don't use your interest. All you do is you use Clickbank itself. So you go over here, you click this one over here, and then there will be a lot of results coming. So you can either sort it by popularity and choose the offer which is the most popular offer, or you can sort by gravity and choose the offer which is the most popular offer as well. So that's the three methods that you're going to do. So let's do the third method today. So we're going to search it, and we're going to sort it by gravity. I always sort it by gravity. Gravity means how many people have actually purchased that particular product in the last 30 days. Simple as that. So this is gravity, right? So I think, let me just check this offer. I think I was not interested in this offer, even though this was like a very winning offer, right? So no, this offer, I never seen this offer before. So yeah, So gravity, as you can see, this is gravity over here, so we sort by gravity, right? So we will not choose any product which has a gravity lower than 30 days. That means that product is actually not a selling product, and we don't like to invest on selling product. We are wasting our time if you don't have selling product. So that's how I take a look at it. And then I take a look at the average sales. If everything is okay, then I take a look at the offer page as well as the uh, can you see it? Oh, you can't see it. And as well as the affiliate page. First, I go to the offer page. I take a look whether the offer page is neat or not. So this offer page is good. They have call to action button, which is pretty neat. Their color is pretty neat, so they are not confusing. Everything is like very straightforward. So, and they do have FAQ, which is a very big thing. I love FAQ. People love FAQ. So they do have like a very good offer page. And then next thing is you go to the landing page. So uh, oh, yep. Okay, so they don't have any tools for affiliates over here, which is sad, guys. Okay, it's okay. I think we did this offer before. So they do not have any tool, but it's actually a very high selling offer. It's okay. We can actually create our own tools by using Mr. Google. So no worries about that. We are still going to choose this offer because it's the highest selling offer in Clickbank itself, which is also the most popular offer in Clickbank itself. So we are going to use this offer. So how to get your affiliate link is pretty easy. All you got to do is just go ahead and hit the promote button. There will be a pop-up, and when you hit generate hop links, this would be your affiliate link which you're going to paste in your landing page. So it's that easy, guys. It's that particular simple. So let's go ahead and do the next step. We have done with the first step, choosing the niche, choosing the offer. The next step would be going and creating a landing page. To do that, we are using Landrise. So like I told you, I've actually attached the link in Landrise in the description of this video, so you can actually go ahead and take a look at it if you want to. And then this is how the dashboard of Landrise looks like once you have actually signed in into the Landrise. So like I told you, they are still in beta. So they do have like a few things over here. One is a landing pages over here, which is this one. Shows you all your landing page that you have already created. And then this is the landing page templates where they have 9 templates right now. Definitely they are increasing. I think yesterday I saw them, they only have 5 or something like that. So they did increase it. So they have a domain section, another section, which is a part to add your domain. Because all the landing page that you build in Landorus would be uploaded in Amazon S3 for the purpose, like I told you, the loading speed just now. So it's compulsory for you to actually add a domain. So if some people might be thinking, hey, this is getting very complicated, don't worry, guys. If you go to the support section there, I really like the way what Landrise did with their support. They have a very detailed support. If you don't know how to create a landing page, you can actually see step by step how to create your landing page. If you don't know how to edit image colors, you can see step by step on how to edit image colors. If you don't know how to set account info, step by step how to set your account info and all that. But the most important part is this too, guys. You don't know. I know because I experienced this before. I have actually wanted to create my Amazon S3 my own landing page, upload in Amazon S3 myself. I know how long I took. I took almost a week with so many hurdles, so many problems. I end up calling the Amazon team so many times, ask them to support and all that. I know how hard is it, but Landrise actually makes everything so easy. They have a step-by-step guide on how to set your AWS, what you need, how to do it, how to generate free SSL certificate, how to configure S3 bucket, how to fix bucket permission, how to enable static website hosting. I really wish that I had this manual before, guys. And then once you have done that, how to connect your AWS with your Landrise, what you need to do, create a S3 bucket, create IAM, allow IAM user permission, all this step by step, guys. So it's very in depth. I really like the way that they did their support, which shows that they are actually people who actually think about their customer and people who wants to make a difference for their customer. So that's what you can do. If you still have any doubts, even though after seeing all these manuals, you can go to my tickets over here and you can actually leave them a ticket and the support team will get back to you. So let's not waste any time and get back to our Landrise and start building our landing page. So it's very easy, guys. All you got to do is go to my landing page and hit create new landing page. So once you hit create new landing page, you can actually choose a template which you are going to create. So this is going to be regarding a medical drink, right? So basically it's about medical drink. Let me just weight loss. So I think we can, sorry, we can either use this one or this one, which is specially designed for weight loss. This one would be something which is quite long. We can actually use this if we have proper articles and everything, but then we don't have a proper article here. We don't have a proper affiliate tools over here that we can actually use. So this is not something that we want, so we can actually use this one. So I'm going to create this. So it's going to be research. So research. Okay, so let's start editing our website. Whatever we do, guys, it's very easy to edit the landing page over here. All you can do is you can actually place it down, change the position by clicking the oops, I'm going to show you guys. Place, it's going to be down of the article summary. Yeah, so you can actually change the position by just holding your mouse with the purple button and dragging top. You can actually copy this whole thing again. For example, let's say and then the thing has already been copied, so you can delete it and you can also edit it like this from here itself. So what we are going to do is we are going to go step by step. If you see on the right hand side over here, everything is done step by step over here, so we are going to go step by step as well. So the first thing is advertising, so we are not going to change this is going to be an advertisement. So the second thing is weekly penny, so we're going to change this so we don't have pictures from here. So what we can do is we can go to Mr. Google and search for picture. So research, nice. So research, so we have a banner logo, nice. We have a banner here, so we're gonna save this banner over here by supplement. We're gonna go to this one over here, browse image. So where was it? Download. Oops, no, not this one. I think I put the wrong one. Mine, it's here by supplement. Research. Wow, looks nice, looks pretty neat. So article summary. Do I want to put anything over here? Let me just see if there's anything that I can put over here. Any other banners that I can actually put over there? I don't think that I want to put any banners over there. So yep. So we are not going to put any banners over here. So now we're going to do something which is, we're going to delete that part. So we're going to do something very interesting. So we're going to do how to relieve. We're going to change this whole thing. So let me just, so the next one would be article summary. We're going to leave that. So we're going to change this text and we're going to make it nice and make it interesting. So what we're going to do is we're going to find some details that we can find from the platform itself. So they have 100% money back guarantee, which is really great. Okay, it's okay. We can actually go use Mr. Google to find it. So we can go research, we can go all, and then we gotta go stay away my experience. This is a bad review, right? So it depends whether it's a good review or bad review. So you can actually take something which they have, or you can do something yourself. um, that's why you need to choose an offer with affiliate page, guys. So if you have an offer with affiliate page, it would be much more easier for you to just copy paste, but then we don't have it. So let's just do it ourselves, guys. So all about weight loss, right? Increasing weight drastically. Increasing, this is something that I just created, so it totally depends on your creativity. Increasing weight drastically, you will regret if you will regret not reading this. So you can actually highlight this particular thing and change the color over here. So you can actually see the color change. You can even change the background if you want to, something like this, but you don't want that. So we just want to change the color. We're gonna blend in the color with our logo. Hopefully we can do that. I think this is good. This is good. So next thing is we're gonna write this article. So this is gonna take some time. Sorry guys, because there is no something that we can actually copy and paste. So let's go Google again. Let's go Google again, and we're gonna find something. This is actually a bad review. This product is one of the highest selling products, but then they have bad reviews. Okay, okay. Okay, this is good. This is a good review. How can research? Okay, you can actually copy this and change a bit. So we can copy this. Let's just copy this first and then we change a bit. Don't follow my style, guys. Usually content writing is all about skills, and the more good you are in content writing, the more good your ads would be. So let's go ahead and see how it will. The benefits. Wow, the benefits. Features of research. I think this is good enough. So I'm just going to change it. Just look at the way I'm going to change everything, guys. So it's going to be funny. I think this is good enough, guys. So we don't need to do research. Research is the dietary supplement that the is the is is the only as that makes things better. The only, and bold this, bold this, and we're gonna make this red, baby. Yeah, research is the only dietary supplement that you need to lose weight. Not that weight. Okay. So we don't need no need so many things. So we can actually just use this. Perfect belly cutter, remove gathered fat. So I'm just gonna change it a bit. Remove stubborn fats. I'm just doing this myself. Stubborn fats from your body. Reduce stress level. Controls your stress level. Make you unable to control your eating habits. See how I change it. So create increase immunity. This is something that we can't create. So improve strength. I don't think this is important. I just want to remove that. Remove this as well. Okay, pretty neat. I think this is the only thing that we need. Done. So the next step is changing this image. On second thought, guys, I think this doctor image is actually pretty interesting because this image was actually created. This landing page was actually tested many times, and it's actually a very optimizing image. And as you can see over here, we're talking about increasing weight. So the doctor here is like a consultant. I think it works a lot. So the thing about this particular image is you can actually embed your link over here. So what you can actually do is you can actually embed your affiliate links in not only one place but few places. So for example, I'm going to embed it here. So whenever somebody clicks on this image, they will go to your affiliate page. And then the last one would be this particular text button, right? So text button is read more. It's not going to be watch. So read more. So read more, still the same thing. Click the text button. It will lead you to this particular page, landing page. Save everything. So the last one is this weekly penny. So we're going to change this weekly penny into research. So over here is the about us, the privacy policy, and the terms conditions. So you can actually see over here. If I click over here, you can actually put the link to each of this about us, privacy policy, and terms of condition. I'm not putting it there because I don't have anything right now, but it's highly recommended for you to have a privacy policy, about us section, and terms and use. This is for you to secure you on your law side, so that you don't get sued or you don't get screwed if you do anything bad. So we're gonna cancel this, so we're not gonna have this. Other than that, oh, this is good. This is good. And the final one that we're gonna change is this one. So it's media force, right? So over here is you're gonna put your company's name. So for just for the sake of it, guys, I'm just gonna put Clickbank. I'm not going to run these ads, but don't put Clickbank, guy. You will get in major sue issues, legal issues, and all that. So don't do that. Put your company's name over here, then hit the save button, and that's it, guys. You have successfully created a wonderful landing page, guys. You look at this landing page is pretty great. So if you can actually click on the landing page, you can actually see how your landing page will look like. It's actually pretty neat already. You can either click on the read more, or you can click on the image itself to bring you to the offer page. So everything is pretty neat with this landing page. So now we're going to publish it. So all you got to do is go to the my landing page. Since you already created this landing page, go and find your landing page over here, and then hit the publish button. And once you hit the publish button, choose the domain that you want to choose. You want to publish this particular landing page, and then hit publish. And ta-da, that's it. It's successfully been published and uploaded in your Amazon S3, guys. So all we got to do next is we have completed step 1, choose niche, choose offer. Step 2, create a landing page, link that offer page to the landing page. Now step 3, the final step, is to create our native advertising campaign. So we are going to use nativeads.com like I told you before. So you got to go ahead over here to the nativeads.com and sign up first. So once you sign up, this is how it will look like. So first, let's start our campaign. So we are promoting an affiliate offer. So we're going to do this. So we're going to press next. So it's very simple, guys. I told you about the dashboard just now, right? It's actually pretty simple. So we're going to name the campaign is research. So research. So brand site is also research. And then geo targeting, I want only mobile device. So countries, I want all countries. IAB category is consider run of network. So do you want to choose any categories over here, or you want to leave it open? So we want to leave it open. So this is where you need to go ahead and put your tracking code if you have an external tracker. I don't have an external tracker for this campaign right now, but if you need to run your own campaign, definitely external tracker is something which is very important. Volume, binom, rate track, or whatsoever, guys, use whatsoever, but use external tracker, because that particular data is the information, and that particular data is your power. Without that data, you are nothing. Trust me, you can't scale your ads. It's really hard to do stuff. So do have this kind of external tracker, which is very useful, guys. Then once you've done that, press next. And then now we're going to go on the bidding. So they do have a suggested bid over here, so you can actually put a follow the suggested bid, or you can put your own bid. If you press, I'm not sure. Oh, this nothing. I thought there's a bidding calendar. So spending period, you can actually say daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on what you want. So I will go for recommended, which is daily. So spending cap, what is your daily budget? Oh, for the full period, for the whole campaign. So this is actually the campaign budget. So you can put $100, for example. So you can go to the next section. You're about to save. Okay, blah 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 blah. Sorry. Yep, save. So the next section is the schedule, campaign schedule section. So sorry, campaign schedule section. So it's like a tongue twister already. So you can actually do it like if you leave it normally, you hit this button, run continuously, it will keep running 24 hours. Or if you cancel this button, then you can actually set a date where it should run. Or you can even put your ad to run what time, particular time, and how much bid to put for that particular time. So they're very specific on I like this part over here. They're very specific on how you can actually set the bid for each time period. That's something which is pretty interesting, which is something that I've never seen before. I think I've seen it before, but not in a lot of ad network. So once you have done that, the next one would be campaign optimization. Press next. Okay, campaign optimization. Would you like native ads to optimize your traffic? So you can actually enable conversion tracking, but to enable conversion tracking, you need to have an external tracker. Okay, so you can do that. If you have yes, if you have no, then no. Then you can actually put your website analytics if you want to, and then you can also set up your blacklist and whitelist if you want to. So we're just going to put our website name research, and then here is where we are going to put our landing page, guys. So we're gonna go over here, gonna go to domains back. So we're gonna see the domains that we use, and make sure that you are very keen on what is SSL and non-SSL, guys. So basically, if you set up the whole landing page according to the Landrise, they will teach you how to set up a free SSL certificate. So don't worry, guys. So the difference between SSL and non-SSL is HTTP means non-SSL, HTTPS means with SSL. Simple as that. So you're gonna do this. So .com. So we're gonna save this. All right, we're gonna save this, and then we are going to go and hit the next button. So you can actually set up the blacklist and whitelist I told you, right? So set up blacklist, traffic source, hide any traffic source, whitelist, hide any traffic source or anything like that, and then hit the next button. So processing, let's go to the next step. So your campaign has been saved. Now it's time to create your ads. Are you ready to create your ads, guys? So best practice to create ads. Look, they actually show you how to create a very good native ads. This is how you should do. Don't upload banner ads. Upload something like this, which is pretty neat. Okay, understand? So ad title, let's do an image first. So we don't have this one over here. Let's do, I think this one is good, right? I like this one. Or this one. Whatever, we have saved it, right? So let's just check this out, how it will look. Too small. Sizing too small. My god, why everything is too small? Are you crazy? Everything is too small. But this is good. So we can actually use this. So you can upload a lot of images as well. So let's try one more, guys. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Let's see whether it works or not. So unnamed. Sorry. So you have to drag it. Drag and drop. Too small. So let's just use this one, guys. So add a title. So we're going to use almost the similar title with our landing page, or we're going to create a different title, which we're going to find over here from the article just now. You see, just now it's very easy if there was actually an affiliate page that teaches you how to do this, but there's no. So let's say oh, this is something that I just thought of an idea. So it totally depends on you guys. I'm gonna put this as my idea. Wanna lose both your stress and weight at the same time. Nice. So description is where we're going to take the features. So we did this in our landing page, right? So we're gonna just to take it from our landing page, edit. So I don't need to re-copy back everything. So just for the sake of this ads, guys, you can actually put your own particular. Oh, so you can actually put your own particular stuffs over here if you want to. So it totally depends on your creativity, guys. So I think you can't do much. So let's just do it like this. Okay, I think that's good enough. Weight and your stress. So okay, that's good. So this is where you're going to put your destination URL, which is your landing page as well. The same thing like just now what we did. So copy this, HTTPS. Make sure you remember that. So we're gonna do Landrise.com. So that's it, guys. So you can actually put more ads over here, but we're just going to show you how to do it, right? So they always ask you to create more ads. That's for the good. So that's it, guys. So hit generate ads. So this is how your ads will look like. One lose both, save and upload ads. Processing. That's it, guys. So it leads me to the funding page. But if you already funded your account, that's it, guys. That's how you actually created your native advertising campaign on nativeads.com using Clickbank's offer. It's that simple, guys. So that's about it in today's video, guys. Thanks again for watching. I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you and you managed to learn many things from today's video. And on top of that, please hit the subscribe button as well as the like button if you like the video, and the bell notification so that you can keep supporting us, you don't miss any of our content, and we can keep creating good content for you as well. So thanks again for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye bye.